tinjo kibami na kidit Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau bakmi ikatanat kampok yang iba prestun tensong ilaong ba ka Sorkar pedeng bat Sorkar jela kilong kiba Kloi ban Ïakren Ïasuk bat Nongïalam ka kinhun le no Hnlc National Liberation Council hakanu kanu ka jaka Shabar ka Meghalaya haba kren shkila patay kubor hinin kisngi iba tensong ila kerpa di Nongïalam bah khmat ka Hnlc ban omdon kanu ka jing khuslai ni kanu ka jing artatir namar ka Sorkar la kalong ka Sorkar pedeng ni Sorkar jela kishim kya shikat day ya ka jing Ïakren Ïasuk Dangshen u Chairman kam Commander in Chief uba Bobby Marwin nambat u General Secretary kam Publicity Secretary uba san kupar nong trao kilapan pau ya ka jing bamla jungki bani shim bentah ka jing langkat pa ka Sorkar kampat long la Kloi ban weng ya baro ki mukot duma persya ki kumjo bansoy ya ka jing te ceasefire
from the government, be it state and be it central government, number one. And number two, if you feel that it is not safe for talking here within Meghalaya, we are ready even to talk anywhere. Central government and state government are ready to talk anywhere. If you want to have a talk maybe somewhere in Calcutta or somewhere in other states, we are ready for that. So my request to the top leaders of Hnlc is very, very clear. The door is still open, and we would request to them to kindly come back for talk, and we are ready to talk across the table.
Ka duway kapirat